Proposition says the following. Suppose that M0 is a pure state of a quantum system. Now, that means, as we've already discussed, that this is just the projection onto some psi naught, where psi naught is of unit size. Okay? So that's in that statement follows from the fact that we've proven that an operator is extremal, right? It's a pure state if and only if it's a projection. Okay. So suppose that M0 is a pure state. Let M of t be defined as ut M0 u minus t. Then I claim that M of t is a pure state, and in particular, M of t is the projection onto psi of t, where psi of t evolves by the unitary evolution operator times psi naught. So the proof of this, you could try and prove this equality by looking at, by proving that M sends psi to psi and then sends any vector orthogonal to psi to 0. You could do that, but it's a lot easier to actually use the definition of the projection. So this is defined to be psi times psi inner product psi naught times psi 0. And you know that it's this way around because this argument right here is linear. However, of course, this only holds if the vector you're projecting onto is unit length. So what we want to use is we want to use the fact that p psi is equal to this. Okay, we want to use this, right? But we've got to first check that psi is indeed unit length. Okay, so let's assume it is for now, right? So how would the proof follow? Right, so how would the proof follow? So it's easier to start from the right-hand side, I think. So this is ut psi naught, and this is ut psi naught. Ut can come on the... Okay, yeah, so the next step is that we can bring this inner product, which is just a scalar, in. Right, bring it inside. Now, this, well, we can throw this onto the other side, and that becomes the adjoint, which is this u minus t. Okay. And this is nothing but p projection onto psi naught of... Okay, hang on, sorry, that was wrong. Okay, again, so throw the u onto the other side. So we get this. Okay, sorry, now what I was doing was correct. So this is going to be p psi naught, and then this is u minus t psi. So that's what's the projector acting on. So this is ut p psi u minus t psi, and this is m naught minus t. So m acts in kind of a reverse order, right? So it evolves in the opposite way. This is nothing but m of t, and this is m psi. So for any psi in Cn, we've shown that p psi times p psi acting on psi is equal to m times m acting on psi. So the final thing to check is to show that psi of t is indeed unit length. So of course it's easiest to look at psi squared because we can look at the inner product. So this is ut psi naught, ut psi naught. But then this is nothing but, so if you want, throw this to the other side, you get this. And this is psi naught, which is just 1. So the significance of this operator is that since it's unitary, it doesn't change the size of the vector, right? Unitary operator never changes the size of the vector, the transformation. So that's the proof.